See all that play in that thing? It's not the rocker arm. It is the lifter. Because these lifters are supposed to slide up into this and lock into place into these trays. Well, that's nothing but plastic. You see this one here? It's spinning. It shouldn't spin. So what it did, that tray either cracked or wore out. So the lifter spins around sideways on the little roller here, and it wears a groove in the cam lobe. So when it does that, we've got too much of a gap in it. So when that cam comes around, it smacks that thing and causes a knocking noise.